So these last few weeks have been feeling like deja vu, like a really bad dream is on repeat, and each time that it plays, it keeps getting worse and worse and worse and worse. Everywhere I look, there is just bad news. Whether I put on the television, I look into my phone, or I open the newspapers, there is bad news everywhere. So I've lost all my drive, all my motivation, and all my creativity seems to have vanished. And all I want to do is eat junk, sip on tall glasses of cola, and watch Netflix all day long. Don't get me wrong, I don't think there's anything wrong with doing nothing at all. But after weeks and weeks and weeks of doing absolutely nothing, I'm starting to feel just a little bit ungrateful in my life. Ungrateful for health, ungrateful for the life I have, and ungrateful for the opportunity to create something wonderful in this world. So I decided that today is going to be the day that I am going to get myself out of that creativity slump, out of that laziness that I'm feeling, and out of my Netflix binge. The best way I know to get out of a creative block is by creating something. I know, how do you do that? It's just get yourself moving, just create something, create anything at all. It could be horrible, it could be useless, it could be garbage, anything will do, but just get up and create something. So that's what I'm going to do. I am going to go put on my makeup, get dressed, pick up my tools, and get creating. So this is my shoot location for the day. It is right outside my house. This is the wall of my house, and this is where I am shooting because, like I said, anything at all will do, but I just needed to get out of that rut and start creating something. So what am I creating and what am I shooting? I am shooting products for my brand and my website Ekdori. The products I am shooting are, I have 3 sarees lined up. All 3 of them are pleated sarees and a couple of blouses to go with the sarees. I'm going to give you a closer look at the sarees and my process. I'm shooting these pictures myself. I put my camera on a tripod and I use a remote control for my camera, and that's how I shoot my pictures myself. So no one else is involved. I have not gone out anywhere. I am just using the time I have to create something.
TakeTurns.com.
So now Twinkle and me are sitting and trying to decide that I have one more sari to shoot, which is this gorgeous green, pleated green, beautiful, such a beautiful green color. This sari left to shoot, and I have the option of going with this printed blouse, which is really bright and has a contrasting blue and pink in it, or going with this lighter peachy shade with this green. So I don't know which one to go with. Maybe I'll just take pictures with both of them and then you guys tell me which combination you prefer, okay? Yay! So I'm done with taking my pictures. What all did I shoot today? I shot 3 sarees, 2 blouses, one which I'm wearing. So since I'm wearing it, let me just show it to you. So this is the blouse. It has this floral print, and the back is what is really interesting and fun. The fun thing about it is that it is made of scuba fabric, which is a stretchy fabric. So it fits really, really well. And this one is a little loose on me, but if you get the right size, it is a perfect fit. And the print is so gorgeous as well. So I'm so excited that I finally shot the 2 blouses and the 3 saris, and I think I should be able to pull out at least one reel from it, some pictures of course, and I'm shooting this vlog. So all in all, I think it has been a fairly constructive morning, and I am feeling really rejuvenated, feeling very proud of myself, and I can feel the creative juices starting to flow. But since the whole point of this vlog is to do things to get out of a creative block and a creative rut, so I'm going to do the second best thing to get out of a creative block, and that is moving. Now, whether it's a big movement, small movement, it does not matter. What matters is that you just put on your shoes, get out and get moving. You don't even have to get out actually. You can even just move inside your house, on the terrace, in the balcony, on the staircase. What I usually do is I put on my headphones, I put on a podcast or some really amazing music, and I start walking, or I start running, or I just start following a workout. And I have noticed that the podcast or the music, it stimulates my mind, and the movement of the body stimulates the body, and that combination of the mind and the body together is boom. It's so amazing. It's so brilliant. It always leaves me feeling inspired, feeling creative, and feeling really good. So I'm done with my movement for the day. I ran a little bit, and I walked a little bit, and I skipped a little bit, and while doing all of that, I was listening to Jay Shetty's podcast, and let me show you which one it is. So this was an amazing podcast. It really felt good listening to it. It was all about the law of attraction. This was with Rhonda, who is the author of The Secret. I feel completely rejuvenated, and I feel amazing now having done that. And but this is not the end of this vlog, because I'm going to do a third thing which is really which can be life-changing and which can definitely help with getting you out of your creative rut: meditation. Now, me and meditation have had like a love-hate kind of a relationship. There are phases when I love meditation and I do it consistently, and then there are phases when I think of it and it puts me off. But whenever I do get myself to sit down and do a little bit of meditation, when I finish my meditation, it feels like I'm on a high. It feels like everything feels so good. All my problems start to shrink, and the creativity starts to get magnified, and it just feels really amazing. And I think ending my workout and my movement with some meditation would be a good idea. So that felt really good, really amazing. I think in the midst of so much chaos and just the way the world is looking these days, it's really important to take care of ourselves, feel really grateful, and be really thankful to the universe for everything that we have, for health, for the ability to create, for the ability to work, for the ability to move, for the ability to just speak and breathe. So I'm back on my couch, the couch that I love so much, with my Netflix ready to go. But this time around, there is no guilt, because I think I have had the most productive day I could have had in weeks and weeks and weeks, and I feel really proud of myself for shaking myself out of that creative rut and getting down to doing something. I don't think there's any shame in not doing anything at all and giving yourself time to just Netflix and chill or doing whatever makes you happy. But I think after a while, I had started to feel guilty about it, and guilt is never a good thing. So if you're feeling guilty, it's time to shake yourself out of that guilt by doing whatever it takes. So if you enjoyed today's video and would like to see more of me trying to run my business and my life in a better way, in a more productive way, and just learning and growing with me together on a daily basis, on a monthly basis, then please keep coming back. Please subscribe, please hit the notification bell, and don't forget to leave me a comment and give me tips on how you guys get out of a lazy Netflix binge kind of a rut and get down to doing work again. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Until then,